Hello everyone, welcome to Preschool Funlearn. I hope you all are doing good. So we have done our videos on phonics and we have done the letter sounds. We have done the blends, that is blending of 2-letter words, 3-letter words and 4-letter words. And now today is the turn of digraph. But before starting today's topic, I want to tell you that what is the difference between blend and digraph. As you all know, blends contain 2 consonants, but in blends each consonant have its own sound. Like this activity we have done in our previous video. अगर वो आपने नहीं देखा है, then I will give the link in the description box. So like this we have done the wheel activity. This is MUG. So the blend contains 2 consonants with their individual sounds like mug, g. All the sounds different. So 2 consonants with their own sound. This is blending. Now today we will talk about digraphs. In digraphs, they also have 2 consonants, but they do not have their individual sounds. 2 consonants together make a single sound. Now today we will first of all do the 4 digraphs, that is H brothers. H brothers, we are having this TH, CH, we are having this WH and SH. These 4 types of digraphs we are going to do today, in which the individual sounds are not there. Like T and H, individual sounds are not there, but TH together makes one single sound, that is th. This is ch, sh, wa, right? So we will do this today in our video. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the subscribe button and hit the red bell icon so that you can get the notification of new videos and creative videos like this only. So let's begin. So this is our first activity today of the digraphs. In this activity we will complete 2 digraphs, that is SH and WH. Our children know the individual letter sound. So letter sound S is S. This is H. But in digraph together SH makes the sound sh. SH makes the sound sh. And WH makes the sound w. WH makes the sound w. Right. Now what we have to do is we have to place one cat and one round circle of sun over here, and we have to make such strips of different words starting with SH and WH, and we have to tell our child to sort out these stickers and make the rays of the sun and whiskers of the cat, right? So let's start the game. Right now, first of all we have to tell our children that these are the words which are starting from SH and WH. They can see. Now the words starting from SH, they will going to make the rays of the sun, and the words starting from WH, they will going to make the whiskers of the cat. Then only the cat and sun will be happy, right? So let's begin with the first word. This is the word starting with SH. So SH we have to paste it over here. Then paste it. Then this is the word which is starting from WH. So let's make one whisker of the cat. Then next word, this is starting from WH. So let's make one more whisker. Then this is the next word starting from SH, right? So let's make the ray of the sun like this. Then this is the next word starting with WH. So you have to make the whisker of the cat like this. The child will going to pick up this sticker, and according to the initial letters, that is SH and WH, they're going to paste it like this, either on the cat or on the sun. This is SH, so make a ray like this. Few strips are left over here. This is SH, so paste like this. This is again SH, so paste like this. This is WH, so make a whisker like this. Cat ke whiskers hote na. Then this is again WH, so paste it like this. So our cat is complete, our sun is complete. Now is the time for reading the words, because अब हमने क्या कर दिया, we have sorted out the stickers. After sorting out, we can read the letters and we can explain the digraph sound to the child. Let's take this sun first. We have told our child that SH does not make the individual sound of S and H. Instead, it makes the sound sh, right? So let's read this word. Child knows the individual sound of O, and E, So sh, SH means sh, shoe. SHOE means shoe. Similarly, SH, sh, shout, shout. Then SH, sh, shark. Then SH, ship. Then SH, this is sheep. Then this is, next word is share. So like this, vocabulary of our child will increase, and he and she will going to learn the digraph sound SH very easily. Again and again you can repeat this exercise, because this is paste and sorting activity which will help in the fine motor skill of the child. Child will going to pick up, will going to sort out from the group of cards, will going to paste it like this. So this activity is very useful for the child. So this completes our digraph SH, sh sound. Now it's the turn of the cat. The cat whisker starts with WH, right? Now this word, whistle, whale, wheel, then when, whiskers, what. So that's how this is the sound of digraph WH. So this completes our cat and sun. That is the digraph SH and WH. Then come on, next start the next activity. Now this is our next activity. Complete the flower. You can see I have made a center of a flower like this with the digraph sound TH, th and CH, ch. And I have made the petals of the flower like this. Child have to pick up the petals and we're going to stick it in the correct flower. We have to tell our child that the petals starting with TH, they will going to paste it here, and the petal which starts from CH will going to paste it over here. Let me show you how. So first of all, child will going to sort out the petals. Suppose child picks up this one. So this is a word which starts from TH. So with child will going to paste it like this. Then this word, again this is a word which starts from TH. So let's paste the petal like this. Now this is a word which starts from CH. So let's paste the petal of the flower like this. Then again this is a word which starts from CH. So we'll paste on this flower. Then this is the word which starts from CH. So again paste it like this on the CH flower. Then this is the petal which starts from TH. So let's paste it over here. Then next comes which petal? A petal with TH. So let's paste it here. Again a petal with a TH. So let's paste it here. Then next petal with CH. So let's paste it over here. Then next petal with TH again. Like this, child will going to sort all the petals and we're going to paste it like this on the correct flower, right? Now we will teach our child to read the word. First of all, let's read the flower with CH. So CH is a digraph. We will not read the individual sounds of C and H. Instead, we will read the combined sound, that is digraph sound of CH, that is ch. So this is chair, this is chin, this is child, and this is chick, right? Chick, child, chin, chair. This completes the flower of CH. Now coming on to the TH flower. TH, we will not read the individual sounds of T and H. Instead, we will say the digraph sound, that is th. So this is throat, this is think, this is thing, this is three, this is throw, this is thumb, this is thin. So you can make these petals you can make so many petals with different words, which will going to increase the vocabulary of the child and will increase the concentration and the digraph sound of the child. So I hope you like both the activities, and these activities will help the child to learn the digraph sound, that too in a creative way. I hope you and your child enjoys these activities and they are very helpful for you and your child. So please make these creative activities, enjoy with the child, so that child can learn the digraph sounds very easily. There are many more digraph sounds which are left, which we will do in our next videos. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the red bell icon so that you can get the notifications, right? So please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.